This video is going to be about the cQ-Twomaoma TD. This is the indicator here. It's mainly a confirmation indicator. It's more of an entry or volatility. Like here, this is saying this is a possible entry point. This is a possible entry point. That is a possible, okay? So when it's gray, you don't want to enter when it's gray. And what it is, it's made up of two different moving averages, or you can use the same moving average here, and you can do the same thing here. Use moving average 1. This is moving average 1 period. This is the second moving average period. This is a multiplier. Currently it's set to 2, so actually moving average 1 period is 20, and moving average 2 period is 40. You'll get a number of different types of moving averages here. Some of them are completely unusable, though, but there are a lot of really good ones. It also has a smoothing moving average. Now it's set to 6. And then there's a signal period because there's 3 modes. The volatility is this last one here with using these bands, which are just ATR bands. There's also a slope, baseline slope, where if you're using this as an expert advisor, these are the buffers that it will use, and if the slope is up, it will output a 1. If the slope is down, it will output a -1. If you're in this price above below bands, you're going to get 3. You're going to get up as 1, down as -1, and no trend is 0. No trend is the gray color. Up, obviously, blue. Down is orange. And then you also have a signal when the baseline crosses the signal. And it's mainly just 2 moving averages. The first moving average is multiplied by 2, and then the second moving average is subtracted from the first moving average. And that's what you're viewing. Fairly simple. Here is the bands, which are just ATR bands when you're in this mode. So if you want to make them less wide, you can do that. You can change the period there. These are just parameters for these moving averages up here. These parameters affect any moving average that you're using. Like if you were to change the ALMA here, and we had this set to ALMA, for example, it would change it for this moving average 1 and moving average 2. And if you had this set to ALMA as well, it would affect all 3 of them. So that's what these parameters do. The rest of them down here, this is just cosmetic stuff on what the indicator looks like. There is a no parameters version. It's currently not on this machine, so but it will be in the zip file, and it will allow you to save your current parameters to a file, and then when you load the no parameters version, you just type in that whatever that file name is, and it will load the exact parameters into that indicator. It just makes it easier for the expert advisor if that's what you're using. And that's it.